built in 1968 but engineered to destroy modern supercars. This $189,900 Mustang Fastback Restomod hides a supercharged Coyote monster under its classic skin. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a machine that proves a legend never truly gets old. This is the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod, a breathtaking fusion of vintage American muscle, modern engineering, and handcrafted performance. With a price tag of $189,900, this isn't just a classic Mustang restored to its former glory. This is a completely reimagined performance icon built for collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who believes a legendary design deserves modern-day power. At first glance, the unmistakable fastback silhouette immediately takes you back to the golden era of American muscle. The long hood, aggressive stance, and unmistakable Mustang DNA remain untouched, but every detail has been carefully transformed into something far more extreme. Finished in a custom exterior gray paint, this Mustang delivers a sophisticated and powerful presence that feels equally at home inside a luxury showroom or attacking a winding mountain road. The transformation begins with the details. The black bumpers create a dramatic contrast against the custom gray finish, while the custom grille, blacked out trim, hood scoop, and custom rear spoiler give this classic fastback a modern performance attitude. The tucked and shaved bumpers clean up the body lines, creating a sleek appearance that looks like it was designed decades ahead of its time. But the real story beneath the hood. Hidden inside this legendary Mustang is a modern powerhouse, a Ford 5.0L Aluminator Coyote V8 engine paired with electronic fuel injection and a D1SC ProCharger system. This combination takes Ford's modern performance technology and places it inside one of the most iconic muscle car bodies ever created. The Coyote engine has become famous for its incredible power potential, high revving character, and reliability. With forced induction from the ProCharger system, this Mustang delivers the kind of performance that classic muscle cars could only dream about in 1968. The instant response, aggressive acceleration, and unforgettable supercharged sound create an experience that connects the past with the future. Backing this incredible engine is a Tremec T56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission. For true driving enthusiasts, nothing compares to the feeling of shifting gears yourself. Every acceleration run becomes an event, every corner becomes an opportunity, and every drive becomes a reminder that this Mustang was built for people who love the connection between driver and machine. Power is delivered through a legendary Ford 9-inch rear end featuring a 3.89 1-gear ratio and posi traction. This setup provides the strength needed to handle serious horsepower while delivering brutal launches and confident performance. But this Mustang isn't only about straight-line speed. The chassis and suspension have been engineered to make this classic perform like a modern sports car. Featuring a Roadster Shop chassis, aftermarket upgraded suspension, NASCAR-style sway bar up front, and power rack and pinion steering, this fastback offers precise handling and impressive road manners. The stance is completed with stunning Billet Specialties wheels, measuring 19 inches in the front and 20 inches in the rear, wrapped in premium Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires with 225/35 R19 front tires and massive 325/25 R20 rear tires. This Mustang has the grip and confidence needed to put its power to the pavement. Stopping power comes from massive Wilwood 6-piston calipers on all 4 corners, providing modern braking performance that matches the incredible power underneath the hood. The engineering continues underneath the vehicle. A custom gas tank, high torque starter, explosion-proof bell housing, heat-wrapped exhaust system, mandrel bent exhaust tubing, and MagnaFlow mufflers complete a package designed for both performance and reliability. And when the engine comes alive, the sound tells the story. The deep rumble of the Coyote V8, the whistle of the ProCharger, and the aggressive tone from the MagnaFlow exhaust create a soundtrack that blends classic muscle emotion with modern performance technology. Step inside and the experience changes from race-inspired performance to luxury craftsmanship. The interior has been completely redesigned with custom leather seats, custom door panels, a custom headliner, and bucket rear seating. The driver faces an aftermarket digital dash and digital controls, bringing modern technology into a timeless cabin design. A custom center console with cup holders adds everyday comfort, while the Sony audio system provides premium entertainment for long-distance cruising. Air conditioning ensures this Mustang is not just a weekend showpiece, but a machine that can be enjoyed on any journey. This 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod represents the ultimate balance between heritage and innovation. It keeps the soul of one of America's greatest muscle cars while adding the technology, performance, and refinement expected from today's high-end performance vehicles. At $189,900, this Mustang is more than a collectible. It is a rolling piece of automotive art, a machine where classic design meets modern engineering. A Mustang built in 1968, reborn for the future, and created for those who refuse to choose between timeless style and unbelievable performance. This is the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod, where history meets horsepower.